Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bowen here. Going to go over a quick screener to catch a lot of these moves we've been very closely watching. Basically, a heavily shorted stock that is down on the day and then goes red to green versus the previous day's close. So we can catch those real quick with a simple screener. So I'm going to start out with a blank slate just to kind of walk you through it step by step. Start out, hit a new tab, go to your screener window, and what we're going to start out with is our price data and then the last price. So let me zoom, price data, last. That's going to give me a block here based on obviously the last price, which would be the last print of the stock. Then what I'm going to do is greater than or equal to, and I'm going to flip from value to criteria. Then my comparison analytic would be price data, close. Then I'm going to look for previous day's close. So now, let me zoom back out. I've got a criteria that says the last price is greater than or equal to the previous close by 0 or more. Now, that's going to give you anything that is exactly at the red to green line or the green to red line versus yesterday's close. Lots of times I'll just drop in a penny, a penny 0.01. So helps if I know how to use decimals. There we go. So now you'll see your block is the last price is greater than or equal to the previous day's close by a penny or more. So, I know it's only a penny, but that way it'll keep the stocks from appearing in my screener that are exactly. This way I know it's actually green by 1 cent. Now, maybe you want to tweak that. You could say maybe you want it up 10 cents above green to red, or 50 cents, or $1 even. Or you could play around with percents too. So maybe you're not interested in the stock until it's a percent change over the previous day close. Now that's going to give you every stock that is up on the day. So I don't want that. It's probably going to give me, depending on the day, hundreds or thousands of stock. So the next step is I'm going to go to the eyeball criteria here, right here, this little guy. That's our watch list icon. And then I'm going to pick today's watch list of stocks. Now, you could also have, a lot of these stocks are ones I'm looking for that are going green to red because they've been holding for days. You could call it your squeezer list or your red to green list. But for me, each morning I'm building a watch list. I've got stocks lately in this market. 2/3 of them are stocks I want to see go green to red. So in this situation, I just choose my watch list. Today happens to be Monday. I'm going to choose that watch list and only that watch list. Now I could choose multiples if I wanted. Now when I run that screener, you'll see over here on my Monday watch list, I've got, without counting them, 10 stocks. Then you see on my screener, I've got 2, 4, 6. Only the stocks that have gone green on the day. Now, the nice thing is I can timestamp that as well. So now, once I sort by time, I can see 12:43 p.m. was the last basically stock that appeared in this watch list. So now I can this is how I do it. I just keep this out of the corner of my eye, and any new appearances, any new tickers. I've got these 6. When I see 7 stocks come in, I can double click that. Say it's obviously the hottest stock today is Roku, which has been green all day. But if I hit that, I was too slow when I got TRXC, but I can hit that and then I can look to trade this stock based on, I'm zoomed in. Based on that red to green, the fact that it is over yesterday's close. This is actually a VWAP reclaim. That's kind of an interesting move. So anyway, hope you found this useful. I want to know, especially in this strong bull market, if I've got a list of stocks, very seldom am I looking at the red ones. I want to spot the green ones, and I particularly want to spot them as they go red to green. So hopefully this is useful, guys. Feel free to post in the comments if you've got any further questions or elaborations, and also check out the SteadyTrade.com podcast. I'll link that below. Just this week, if you're watching this one this week, we just had a interview out with Roland Wolf, which is an incredible trader. He is a StocksToTrade user. He's gone from $4,000 in his account to over $300,000 just this year. It's a free podcast. You can register to win. Check it out, steadytrade.com, or hit the link below. Thanks a lot.